Kayla. Hello. I'm back. Here. The box. The Easter sheen. Oh my goodness. I'm losing my fucking mind. Okay. I didn't open this before, unlike the last box where I opened it and gasped and then saw some of the things. And this time, this will be fresh. Are you ready? I'm not. Oh no, I can't do it. Oh, I can't do it. No! Okay. Yes. Happy package. Packing list. Oh, fuck. Can't look at it. This video is rated R for Pusheens. Let's start with these utensils. I hear someone going, ah, outside, and it's exactly the reaction I'm having. Look at these. I'm gonna eat everything with them. Fuck. I wasn't built for this. I'm too weak. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Got a nice t-shirt. Party time. Easter t-shirt. Spring. I keep saying Easter. Spring. Good. Yes. I'll wear this later. For you, Kayla. Balloons. Balloons. They have Pusheen's face on them. That's fine. It's okay. Everything. Okay, the vinyl for this month is, I'm gonna just open this. I'm gonna open this right up and I'll show you. Cause it's a bunny Pusheen with a little friend on top, and I want you guys to be able, you guys, as though anyone but Kayla is watching this, I want you to be able to see the little friend. Bad noises. Oh, bad noises. Over. And look what is born. It is a little ducky pal. I'm so glad I signed up for this stupid box. It keeps me alive. I swear to Christ. Oh, a Pusheen selfie stick. Oh my goodness. Now I have a selfie stick. That's pretty neat. That's really cool. At last, I can take pictures of myself and all of my Pusheen products laying in them in a bed of roses and soft things. What? What? It's a wireless speaker. A wireless speaker. I wonder if I can plug my record player into it. That's so cool. That is the coolest thing ever. I hope it works. I'm gonna play all my musics. All the music. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. 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 It's a bento box. It's a little bento box. Get off of her. Look at it. Gonna open this. Look at this. You can put all your snacks and greater foods, so snacks or lesser foods, in this fine food beast. This is lovely. This is unfair. I'm so happy. Oh, gosh. There's a moral at the end of this video. I don't know if you're ready for it. It's a good moral. Ooh, ooh. Oh. A pennant banner to hang everywhere because I have the lights above my door now from Pusheenmas Christmas, and now I can put a banner up. And photo booth props. Oh no, oh no, oh there. Stay tuned for photo booth props. Oh dear. Oh no.
Oh, well, that's a good, that's...
Thank you for watching my video, Kayla. It really means a lot to me that you like to watch me open things. Like that beer. Yes. Life is short, the news is stupid, but Pusheenbox. Yeah.
Bye!